Balloon hovercraft. Turn an old disc and a balloon into a hovercraft. You'll need an old disc like a CD or DVD, a balloon, a pop-up cap, and glue or tape. Step 1. Close the cap and then glue or tape it over the hole in the disc. Make sure there are no gaps in the seal. Step 2. Blow up the balloon and place it over the top of the cap. Try not to let out too much air. Step 3. Place your hovercraft on a flat surface. Pop the cap open to release the air from the balloon. What happens? Dr. Zed explains. When you pop the cap, the air inside the balloon flows out below the disc. The thin layer of air allows the disc to move and hover over the surface. Whoosh!